Sit comfortably. Sit in a cross-legged position, eyes closed, back straight, spine erect. While your eyes are closed, bring your attention to the center of the eyes, the eyebrows center. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Take another deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Let go all the thoughts that might be running in the mind. Any kind of stress, tension, and worries, let it go. Bring yourself completely on the mat. Take another deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. And with a lot of gratitude for this beautiful day and the beautiful body, let us join your hands at the heart center in Namaskar Mudra, joining your palms together. And let us start our practice with this prayer. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Vadhakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasitharinam Sahasrashirisham Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly, lovely. Generate some heat. Cover your eyes with your palms and look into the gaps of the fingers. You may gently open your eyes with a beautiful started with a stretching. Sit comfortable. Hold your knees. Slowly inhale, take your head up. Exhale, bring it down, chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up. And exhale down. From here, let's start. Let's start with a rotation. Half circle inhale and half circle exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go slow, go conscious. Observe the pattern of the breath. Last 1. And release. Slowly exhale, come back to the center and release. Now from here, hold your knees again. Start to lift up your shoulder, rotate your shoulders, take your shoulders back, keeping your spine straight. Move it, make it big a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, and last 1, 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center and release. Now from here, take your right hand up, take it to the back, hold it with the left hand, hold the elbow with the left hand. Try to go deeper on your back and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Bring your hands down. Now from here, take your left hand behind and hold it with the right hand and push it down for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, bring your hands down and release. Now from here, take your left hand down on the mat in line with your knee, bend your elbow a bit, bend towards the left side. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come on the side, right side. Right hand down in line with your knee. Take your left hand up, bend towards the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center and release your hands. Now let's go for a twist. Take your right hand on the left knee. Take your left hand back. Rotate your torso, keeping your spine straight. Look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Come back to the center. Change the side. Take your left hand on the right knee. Take your right hand back. Twist your body. Rotate your torso. Look back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come back to the center. Now from here, join your feet in the front in Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose. Hold your feet, keeping your spine straight. Hold all the toes with your both the hands, and let's start to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your spine straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale and release. Now hold all the toes from bottom of the feet and just bend forward looking into the front. As deep as possible, go down. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and come back. Now from here, stretch your both the legs into the front. Let's come into seated position. Dandasana. Keep your spine straight. Body 90 degrees to the mat. You can keep your hands on your knees or on the sides. Roll the shoulders relaxed. Now from here, inhale, take your feet out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Exhale in. One last time. Inhale out and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Bring it towards your body and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, let's start to rotate in a clockwise direction. 1, both feet together. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go reverse anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now from here, again in the seated position, raise your hands up, keeping both feet together. Just try to hold the big toe and keeping your spine straight, look up and hold. Try to reach as much as possible. If you're not able to reach to your toes, you can hold up your shin or the calves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, bring your hands up and release. Now from here, let's fold your both the legs. Let's come into Marjariasana, cat and cow postures. Wrist exactly below the shoulders, knee exactly below the hip joints. Legs shoulder width apart, hands shoulder width apart. So from here, slowly inhale, look up, arch your back. Feel that pressure on your lower back. Exhale, go down, suck your belly, round up your back, look towards your navel. Slowly inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. One last time. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, go down, round your back. One last time. Hold it. Inhale, look up, arch your back, and hold. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, go down, round your back, suck your belly, look towards your navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come to neutral position and release. And from here, stretch your both the hands towards the corners of the mat. Arch your back. Now bring your chin and chest down on the mat in extended puppy pose. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come up and bring your hands a bit back. Now from here, let's go to Adho Mukha. Legs again, shoulder width apart, hands are shoulder width apart. Go to downward facing dog. Feet completely grounded. Try to push your body backwards in an inverted V shape. And let's start to pulse your body up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, start to pedal your feet. Alternatively, lift up your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale, bring your knees down and sit in Vajrasana, keeping your hips between your ankles. Now you can keep your hands on your thighs, palms facing upwards. Take 5 Ujjayi breaths. When I say Ujjayi breaths, if you remember, I told you to breathe from your throat by contracting your epiglottis, right? So it's like also called as a victorious breath or ocean breath. Observe, and from here, stretch your left hand to the front, palms facing front. Hold all the fingers along with the thumb. Push your hand back. Let's go for a wrist stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change the hand. Stretch your right hand. Hold all the fingers along with the thumb. Push your hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now flip the hand, palms facing upwards. Hold all the fingers along with the thumb. Push your hand down towards your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain the hands. Hold all the fingers along with the thumb. Push your hand down towards your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale and release. Bring your hands down and release. Let's get into the standing posture. So we'll be kind of starting off with the Surya Namaskar, but not with too many rounds. We're just using it as a more of a warm-up and activating all the joints, right? So before we go ahead, let's go for a hamstring stretch, right? So we'll be opening. How do we do that? Let's keep your legs shoulder width apart, okay? Interlock your hands in the front, right? You're holding opposite elbows. Now from here, just lengthen your spine, keep your back straight, and without arching your back or rounding up your back, just bend forward. First of all, come to 90 degree. Try to keep your back straight, come to 90 degree. You can look up in order to keep your back 90 degree. And once you are there, just lengthen your spine and try to go deeper without closing up your eyes. Just try to hold this position and try to keep stretching without moving your lower body. Keep it straight Try to keep your knees straight as much as possible. You'll feel a lot of pressure here in your hamstrings. That's the purpose of this stretch. Hold it here. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep your body, lending your spine. Keep pushing yourself. Keep breathing. You can take Ujjayi breaths as well. Breathing from your throat. Even you can go for a lip breathing, which is breathing from your nose and exhaling from your mouth. Hold it for another 10 seconds. Now from here, without lifting up your body, release your hands. Keep them on the ground now. I hope you are able to reach the ground. If not, just go as close as possible. Now try to bend towards your feet. Try to bend towards your feet and hold for 5 breaths. You can take Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, slowly look up. Do not lift, just lift up your head and look up. And take your hands at your back, above your hips. Take your hands at your back, above your hips, and look. Slowly come up. And release. Perfect. That was a hamstring stretch. Let's come towards the front of the mat. You can just look at me for the first round and then do it. Okay? So legs are shoulder width. You can keep your both feet together, not shoulder width apart. Come in Samasthiti, joining your feet together. We'll be going for Surya Namaskar A. Back straight, spine straight, legs together, feet together, knees together. Now from here, inhale, raise your hands up. Join your hands on the top in Namaskar. Look at the hands. On the top. And from here, exhale, lengthen your spine, go down. Try to go close to your feet. Look up in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now take the hand support, take your right leg back, take your left leg back, bring your knees down, come to Ashtanga, that's a variation. Now from here, slide up in Bhujangasana and take the hand support, roll back your feet, go to Adho Mukha and hold for 5 Ujjayi breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, bring your right leg to the front, left leg to the front, go towards your feet. And then from here, inhale, raise your hands up, join them in Namaskar, and release in Samasthiti. Simple ones, 9 steps. Okay, so let's do it. We'll do 3 rounds, just like a warm-up, right? So come into the front of the mat, like 1 foot behind the mat, where the mat ends. Join your feet together, knees together. Keep your hands straight in Samasthiti. Inhale, raise your hands up. Join them on the top in Namaskar, look up. Now exhale, bend forwards. Try to go close to the feet. Inhale, lift up your head in Ardha Uttanasana. Hold, take your both legs back in Falakasana or plank position. Now bring your knees down, arch your back. Chin and chest down in Ashtanga Namaskar. And slide up in Bhujangasana or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your both legs a bit forward, 1 foot forward, and hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring your left leg between your hands in the front. Right leg between your hands. Go towards your feet. Slowly look up in Ardha Uttanasana. Raise your hands up in Hastuttanasana. And release in Samasthiti. Are we good together? Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go for the second round. Feet together, knees together, hands on the side, on your thighs. Inhale, raise your hands up. Join your hands on the top. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, look up in Ardha Uttanasana. Take the hand support, holding your breath. Go down, knees down, chest and chin down in Ashtanga. Slide up in Bhujangasana or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, bring your left leg to the front between your hands. Right leg to the front. Go towards your feet in Uttanasana. Lift up your head. Raise your hands up. Join your hands on the top. And release in Samasthiti. We'll do one more round. Let's again join your hands, feet together. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Lift up your head. Take the hand support. Go back to Palakasana, plank position. Down, arch. Slide up in Bhujangasana. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana, feet forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your left leg to the front. Bring your right leg to the front. Inhale up. Join them on the top in Namaskar and release in Samasthiti. Take a short break. Inhale and exhale from your nose. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Walk around the mat. And the next movement will be going with Virabhadrasana, warrior position. So open your legs wider. You can face each other. Face each other. Use the mat. Yes. Open your legs wider. Now, open your hands on the sides, palm facing downwards. Now turn your right leg towards the right side. Turn your right leg towards the right side. Bend your elbow towards the right. Look towards the right hand. Okay? And from here, bend the right elbow and bring it on the right thigh. Raise your left hand and make a one straight line. And look at the hand on the top. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly from here, bring the hand which was on the top to down. Come it. Yes. Now take the other hand down. Go to Adho Mukha and hold in Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, bring your left leg to the front. Bring your left leg to the front. Turn your right leg back. Bring your elbow and do it on the opposite side. Find your balance. Repeat what we did on the right leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, Take your hands back again in the warrior position and release in Samasthiti. Come back and release. Now next time, next class onwards, try to keep your mats parallel to each other. Okay? So that when you look at me, you'll not face challenge because side changes. Okay? So maybe you can just tie up this, what is there in the front, right? The chair. And then you can keep it parallel to each other. So that both of you can see me at the same time. Okay? Let's repeat this one more time. Open your legs wider. Now you know the sequence. Now you know the drill. We go on the side, then we go down to Adho Mukha, and then on the opposite side. Right? So open your legs wider, as wide as possible and comfortable. Try to turn your right leg towards the right side first. Open your hands. Go down, bend your elbow. Come, bring your elbow on the knee and raise your hands up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your left hand down, right hand on the side of your leg. Take your right leg back, go to Adho Mukha and hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your left leg to the front. Let's repeat the same on the left side. Bring your elbow down on the left leg. Raise your hands up and look at the hand on the top for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now open your hands and release in Samasthiti. Relax. Perfect. Now from here, come into the half kneeling position. Come into half kneeling position, bend your elbows, bend your knees, come into half kneeling position. Now take your left leg towards the corners of the mat. Yes, you can face each other. Or maybe just look at me once and then do it, right? So keep your left leg like this. Now take your left hand on the knee. Take your right hand up. Bend towards the left side. And then simultaneously come back and go down on the right side. So this will do the movement, 10 on the left, 10 on the right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be careful, be gentle. 7. While you go down, you inhale. While you come up, you exhale. 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and come back to the center and change the side. Now from here, let's come on the right leg. Hold your right leg, keep it straight. Let's repeat the same on the right side. Take your left hand. 1, 2, take care of your breath. 3, keeping your spine straight, just rotate. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and release. Come back to the neutral position. Sit in Vajrasana for a while. Relax. Take 5 Ujjayi breaths. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your throat. Inhale from your throat, exhale from your nose. Or you can use your mouth as well. Normal breath before we go for the second round. Let's again come up and let's go for the second round, starting from the left side. Stretch your left leg. And let's start again for the second round. Let's start. 1, 2, keep moving, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Change the side now. Be careful, be gentle. Let's stretch your right leg on the right side. And let's start on the right side. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and come up. Bring your hands down. Relax in Vajrasana. Keep your hands on your thighs, palm facing upwards. Take 5 Ujjayi breaths. You can keep your eyes closed. And relax. Now from here, let's come and move on the side. Let's come and cover the mat on the sides. Right, you're already on the side. Yeah. So now from here, let's come to Marjariyasana. We'll be going for a variation which is going to be child pose to Bhujangasana. Balasana to Bhujangasana. So stretch your hands a bit forward. दोनों हाथों को हल्का सा आगे लेकर के जाएंगे. Now go to child pose. And then move forward, come to Bhujangasana. Bending your elbows a bit. Inhale, go back. Exhale, forward. Let's continue. Ensure that you're not doing Urdhva Mukha. Elbows are bent. Pelvic floor is on the ground. Pelvic is on the ground. 3, 4. Take care of the breath. 5, 6, 7. Try to go completely back. 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and relax in child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go for second round. Come into the posture. Stretch your hands and let's go for second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly go back and relax in child pose. 5 Ujjayi breaths. And release. Perfect. Now from here again, come and sit in Vajrasana. Now from Vajrasana, let's come to seated position. Stretch your legs to the front. And we'll be practicing Navas or Nakas. Right? Stretch your both the legs in the front. Feet stretch, toes pointing out. Right? You can keep your hands on the side of your thighs. Right? That's as a support. Lean a bit back, keeping your back straight. Okay? Lean a bit back. This is a holding posture. So you'll be holding it for 10 counts and you'll be holding it for 2 rounds. Okay? So lift your leg up as comfortable as possible. You can keep your hands on the side, and if okay, you can keep your hands, in fact, straight. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep breathing. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale. Come down. Relax for 5 breaths. Again, Ujjayi. Again, stretch your feet outwards, toes pointing out. Lift your legs up. Find your balance. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Again, come to seated position. Now from here, let's go for reflex. And so take your hands a bit back, palms facing inwards, and we're going for a reverse tabletop position, which is a counter pose. So fold your both the legs, bend your knees, lift your body up in reverse tabletop, and drop your head and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, come down. And from here, stretch your both the legs. Raise your hands up and hold your toes and hold it here. If you can go down, bend your elbow, go down as much as possible, but keeping your back straight. Or you can be here as well. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale and release and come up. Now from here, lie down on the mat. Just look at me once and then do it. Now stretch your right leg. Bring your left leg in tabletop position. Stretch your left hand on the side, palm facing downwards. We'll go for Uttarakarsanasana. Hold it with the right hand, push it towards the right side, and twist. Yes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center. Change the leg. Lift your right leg, hold it with the left hand, push it towards the left side, look towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, come back to the center. And now stretch your right leg. Stretch your right leg, fold your left leg, bring it to your chest as close as possible. 1, keeping your ankle stretched. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain the leg. Stretch your right leg, fold, Stretch your left leg, fold your right leg, bring it to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale and release. Now from here, fold your both the legs. Let's go for Setu Bandhasana. So keep your feet together. Try to come as close as possible to your hips. You can grab your ankles, and lift your body up. 1. Do it for 10 times. 2. Inhale up. 3. Exhale down. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Slowly exhale, bring your body down. From here, hug your knees in Adho Mukha Svanasana and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly stretch, top to toe, hands on the top, legs towards down. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, bring your hands, release. Now take your left hand. Let's sit in Sukhasana. Sit. Let's come up and sit in Sukhasana. Now we will go for Kapalbhati, right? But again, try to go deeper on your breath. While you inhale, fill your belly completely with the air. And while you exhale forcefully, the belly should be going towards the spine, right? So it's a forceful exhalation and alternate breathing, right? So let's start. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra on your knees. First 2 fingers, the thumb and the first finger, touching the tips. Keep your spine straight, eyes closed. You can sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana, or Ardha Padmasana, any comfortable posture. Let's start to take a deep breath. And let's start to exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's continue to keep your eyes closed. Relax. Observe your breath. We'll do one more round. Now while you are inhaling, ensure that while you inhale, your belly gets filled with the air. And then while you exhale, it exhales out through your nose, taking it towards your spine. Let's go for the second round. Take a deep breath. And let's start to exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's continue to keep your eyes closed. Observe your breath. While keeping your eyes closed, slowly relax your hands and lie down in Shavasana, keeping your eyes closed. Lie down on the mat. Let's get ready for a short Yog Nidra session. Legs apart, toes falling out, hands away from the body, palms facing upwards, nose pointing to the ceiling, eyes closed. Drop all your efforts on the mat and let's follow along.
Get yourself completely comfortable. Lie down on your mat or even your bed. cover yourself with a blanket so that you're warm enough, and make yourself comfortable. Take a little bit of time to adjust your body so that you are in the best and most comfortable position possible to relax. Set a short and small intention for your practice, like I'm deeply resting to re-energize my body and mind. I am happy and healthy. I am calm and relaxed, or any other intention that you're setting for this practice. As soon as you're comfortable and relaxed, bring your awareness to the space between your body and the earth beneath you. Invite your body and mind to soften and rest. Begin to surrender into the earth beneath you. Notice the spaces between your body and the earth, and take in the sounds of the room, the sounds around you, and the sounds of my voice. Begin to rotate your awareness. All you have to do is allow your awareness to follow my voice as I'm guiding you from different points to different points within your body. Move your awareness to your mouth. Become aware of your tongue, the tip of your tongue all the way to the root of your tongue, the lower jaw, the lower teeth, the upper teeth, the gums, the upper lip, the lower lip, a space between your lips, both cheeks, inside the cheeks. Notice your right ear listening and your left ear listening. Notice your forehead, both temples, top of the head, your back of the head, your neck, your tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, and the left eye. Notice your right eyebrow. Notice your left eyebrow. Notice the space between the eyebrows. Now take your awareness to the right hand. Focus on the right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, the palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, your right thigh, front and back, your knee, your shin and the calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Take your awareness now to the left hand. Notice the left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, and little finger. Notice the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip. Notice the thigh, front and back, the knee, the calf and the shin, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Take the awareness to the back of the body. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the length of the spine, the upper back, the mid back, the lower back, right groin, left groin, right buttock, left buttock. Now take the awareness to the front of the body, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple. Notice your nose, the tip of the nose, inside of the left nostril, inside of the right nostril. Notice your chin, your jaw, right collarbone, left collarbone. Notice your right arm and your left arm. Notice both arms together, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the whole front of the body, the whole back of the body. Become aware of your whole body. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Follow the gentle tide of your breath without changing anything about it. Envision your breath as a golden light flowing down and up your spine. With your inhale, the light flows from the tailbone to the crown of the head, and with your exhale, it flows from the crown to the head back down to the tailbone. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. With every breath, counting down from 10, inhaling for 10, exhaling for 10, inhale for 9, exhale for 9. Continue in this way. and letting that breath go. Gently guide your awareness back to your physical body. Become aware of the earth beneath you, your body slowly breathing in and out. Before opening your eyes, become aware of your surroundings. As your awareness comes back, invite your breath to deepen. Notice your little toe. Move it around. Notice the big toe. Move it around. When you feel ready, invite a big stretch. Extend your legs and your arms. Slowly roll over to one side, keeping the eyes closed. Welcome the intention, I feel deeply relaxed. Whenever you're ready, sit in the meditation position and notice the effect that Yoga Nidra has had on your nervous system.
Slowly relax and breathe. Take 3 normal breaths. And once you're ready, slowly join your hands at the heart center. Surya Namaskar. Join hands together. And let us bless the whole world with this calm and peaceful state of mind. Om Ka Samasta Sukhino Bhavan. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavan. Om Shan Shan Shanti. Slowly rub your hands. Generate some heat. Cover your eyes with your palms, looking through the gaps of the fingers. Gently open.